Hello guys, good morning. Gawa muna tayo ng jig. Welcome to my vlog. Yan. DIY guys, the jig. Yan. So, sa gitna guys, isa yung wire lang to na stainless. Sa dulo lang stainless saka dito. So, wala tayong ganong materialis kaya ito yung ginamit natin. Ganun sa kabila guys, ano? Ayan. Kita lang yung wire. Okay. So ayan. Ayan natin. Ilagay na natin. Okay siya. Ayan, fit na fit. So then, copycat lang yan guys. Sa mga ulit na jig. Kailangan kapit. Okay, dyan nilalagay yung jig.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So guys, mag-unbox na tayo ng jig na DIY. Kaya natin para makatipid, gawa lang tayo pansarili. Ito sa medyo bumula siya kasi binasa ko to. Ito wala. Ito yung talaga siya. Kaya pag pour ko ng lead tingga, hindi siya kumukulo. Okay, yan siya, oh. Diba? Ang galing. Yung isa naman. Ayan. Pangit yung isa. So, kailangan talaga guys hindi siya basa. Kailangan tuyong-tuyo ito para hindi kumulo. So, itong isa is okay. Nilagyan ko ng ano yan eh. Ng tubig. Ito wala itong paligo. So yan, perfect. Perfect ang paggagawa. Ito, bumula siya kasi basa to. So, gano'n lang guys, yung pinagkaiba. Kailangan tuyo. Ito basa, yung molde niya. So, gano'n din niya, pag gagawa ka nito, kailangan tuyo muna siya bago gamitin para hindi siya bumula. Tulad niyan. Ito, tuyo siya. Kaya, magandang pagkagawa. Okay guys, don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. Maraming salamat.